Alright, here we go. You guys are the first ones to see them. The new Nike Air Max. Check them out. What we got? Damn. Alright. Let's get this out the way. Alright, here they are. Get this crap out. So yeah, they're definitely thicker, but they're gonna feel good. A lot of padding. There's nice air in here, for nice support, nice and light. They look pretty durable, so let's try them on. Alright, here's the shoes. They feel great, ain't gonna lie. Nice support in the back. Here's from the back, side, bottom of the shoe. And yeah. Here's some with some long socks here. Yeah, they feel really good. Alright guys, so you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, tell me if you're gonna get them or not, because they feel pretty good. So yeah, check them out. There's a link on the bottom where I got them. Check out the price.